Most people can't even define the word globalization adequately, much less turn a profit from it. But that will change. Many have already realized that the whole world ought to be viewed as a single market, but that has yet to change the way they do business. You can tell right away whether or not corporate people have this global mentality. Those who have it behave and think differently from others who are working with only a local or national mindset. But it all begins with the individual and what he or she believes about the world, each other, and themselves. To grow a global mentality, you have to begin with the core of the personal value and belief system. Global is too big, too overwhelming, and too long term to do unless it can be internalized and integrated at the most intimate level. And unless the core belief system of the individual is engaged, no lasting changes will come about, and the momentum demanded by the global learning curve will not be maintained. Most of us already know that every action we take is being motivated by our core set of values and beliefs, even though it would be hard for us to actually sit down and make a list of them. But that's the point. And that's the level we must deal with if we want genuine effectiveness to result. The aim is global respondability. There is a virtual explosion in global business opportunities today, but most people aren't able to capitalize on them because they haven't the vision, the skills, or the capacity to act decisively in a global way. By changing just one belief, a whole cascade of other changes can be set into motion. You will never learn French, for instance, unless you are convinced that it is vitally important. The same is true for learning the global language and getting a global education. You must first be convinced that it is of vital importance. And because globalization requires a commitment that won't quit, it must become part of you, part of your belief and value system. To do this, you have to personally internalize the global experience in a powerful way. Doing this will affect your most intimately held beliefs, but only you have the power to decide what's important at that core level. Unless globalization means something to this inner part of you, you will never become sufficiently motivated to acquire new attitudes, new skills, and the knowledge necessary to profit personally and professionally from globalization. I invite you to visit my website at www.asifjmeer.com and have a look. I also invite you to visit my blog asifjmeer.wordpress.com. It contains some material on the topic and even much more. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.